Good morning! Teeny is ready to clean up now! Let's keep our street nice and clean!
The journey today was so much fun!
My stomach is full! Now let's go meet the huge, crude truck driver! Hello, Mr. Giant! I have finished collecting all the trash! Hello, Teeny! You did a great job! Okay, I'm leaving now. My job is to get this waste to a safe place for recycling. Goodbye, little Teeny. Goodbye, Tiny. See you tomorrow. Yes, goodbye, Giant.